Hi guys, how are you? This one Titanium. Welcome back to Investing MMT, IMMT. So I'm going to do a Bitcoin update. I didn't do it yesterday. Some people were complaining, so I'll do it today. But before I do that, let's look at inflation numbers. Headline inflation, 2.28%. Latest core, 2.17. Where's the inflation 3 years after raising rates? Nowhere. Mike, Mousy Boy, Norman, wrong again. Okay, it's devastating, devastating, my friend. Yeah, amateur, man, amateur hour. Oh, so bad. Again, I warned you people about this guy, fake MMTer, just like the rest of them. All the rest of them who are trying to sell job guarantee with 3% unemployment, prime age labor force, and 3.7%. Uh, you know, headline. It's horrible. It's horrible. I actually feel bad for him. So bad. Ugh. Disgusting. Always wrong. Always wrong. Pure MMT, baby. Learn Pure MMT. Get the real deal. And one more thing before I continue. This is oil, by the way. I don't want oil. I want NDX. Even though I am up on oil, about $11,000, which is very nice. What did I tell you yesterday? The market is not going to start tanking. It's all over. Everybody's freaking out. Well, I told you. And, if you guys were with me yesterday, you would have known I was buying. And now I'm up on that trade. Thank you very much. Not only did I make money on the way down, but I also made money on the way back up. And that's what, patreon.com/mine this one is all about. Okay? Keeping it real. I told you, economically, fundamentally, there's nothing wrong with the economy. Don't get caught up with all this bullshit. This is such a nice little return for one day. I mean, again, it's up to you. You wanted to sit there and listen to voodoo economics and free lunches and free ponies and, exports are a cost and all that bullshit? Go ahead. You want to pay $270 for it? Go ahead. Lose your ass. Otherwise, come down to patreon.com/mine this one. Be more than happy to teach you pure MMT that applies in the real world and into investing. And if you don't want any of that stuff, you just want an insurance policy of when the market is going to start tanking, then you got to come down to patreon.com/mine this one. $20 a month buys you the insurance. Okay? Think about it. $20 a month. That's $240 of insurance against your 401k or whatever it is that you trade. Alright, so what's going on with Bitcoin? Well, here's what's going on. As I told you all the way back here, okay, I'm just going to recap here a little bit. I told you to be buying down here, okay, and you caught this move. Alright, then it came back down, tested the previous lows, came back up, and I told you this is going to fail. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. Okay, I said this structure right in here, this is going to fail. And it failed. Then we went into another structure. And what happens with these structures? They fail. This is failing too. Now, we're waiting for one more down. And once we get that one more down, you guys need to be buying. Because everybody's going to be crying. They're going to say, oh, your Bitcoin is over. Blah, blah, blah. It's, nah, nah, nah. Don't buy Bitcoin. I told you so. And then it's going to turn around, go back up, possibly break the whole wedge. And then you're going to be sitting pretty. Alright, so that's the way that works. Now, you gotta be patient. Patience is what's going to pay you. Okay? Now, is there some reason to believe that it will not break this line down here of 6,000? There is some evidence, and you know that the vast majority of Bitcoins are owned by a very few amount of people, and if they decide that they're not gonna, push it lower, then they won't. Okay? But again, I go by not what my vague hunches and feelings are telling me, okay? I'm not a degenerate gambler. I go by what the charts are telling me. And the charts are telling me there's going to be one more down and then right back up. And if you want to make fun of my little lines, you can do it all day long. You know why? Because my account this year, in 10 months, quadrupled. So, laugh away. Make fun of my little lines. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. And finally, I'm excited to announce a brand new channel, Patreon channel, which will be headed up by my 3 senior instructors from IMMT. And they're going to head up bare knuckle charting, which goes beyond just the macroeconomic data of indexes. We're going to talk about stocks, bonds, index, forex, and cryptos, whether it be Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin, doesn't matter. And they're going to be a lot more fluid in what they do versus what we do at IMMT. Okay, so of course I'm going to be also contributing to bare knuckle charting. So the website is patreon.com/BKC. Patreon.com/BKC, bare knuckle charting. And we currently have some free charts that we're going to be posting up for everybody to see the accuracy. And then more of the heavy lifting will be done in the background for subscribers. And it's $29.99 per month. And again, you're going to get 3 of the senior instructors plus me posting charts. And this is only going to be focused on bare knuckle charting. It's not going to deal with pure MMT and macroeconomics and so on. Okay. Now, obviously, all the instructors have that knowledge, more or less. Okay, but they are experts more on the bare knuckle charting. So come on down, patreon.com/BKC. Thank you again, and please don't go out to start buying the stock market now. All right, don't be like, well, I saw a video from Nick, and no, you should have been buying yesterday. You should have been buying when I'm buying, and the only way to know that again is if you come down to patreon.com/mind this one. Okay, if you start buying now and it starts to roll over, and then you're gonna start blaming me. Well, you didn't buy down here. You're buying up here. It's a big difference. So please don't do that. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good night. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.